Hi, I'm Dani Bucholtz. In this video, I'm going to show you how to very quickly write a stellar listing description that just takes seconds to do. So we are going to start off by going to chat.openai.com. This is artificial intelligence at its finest. And I already have this written. So I'm telling it to write a real estate listing description for a house in desirable Lake Ridge subdivision in Tega Cay, South Carolina. It is a 5-bedroom, 4-bath, 2-story house with a 1/4 acre, fenced-in backyard, full irrigation. Amenities include walking trails, pool, sports courts, park, picnic area. Listed at $999,000. This home will not last. Create a call to urgency to book a showing. I'm just going to hit a little arrow. You can also hit the return button on your computer. And voila. So if you are lacking in creativity when it comes to coming up with new verbiage for your listings, here you go. This is it. Now, our MLSs do limit what we can type into our listings, so you'll just have to kind of pick and choose what you want. However, you can use this then in your marketing materials. If you're creating brochures, doing open houses, whatever the case may be, you can copy this and put it in there. Now, let's just say that you want to take this information and you want to create a Facebook post. I'm going to say create a Facebook post. All right, and you can see that it's got the appropriate hashtags. I'm going to then say create a Twitter post. And that's done, and we're going to do one more, create an Instagram post. So there you have it. You can seriously shortcut your time, and instead of sitting there trying to think of what you can say about a property because you run out of words after a while. I know, been there, done that. Now you can use this, and you can see we have that done in less than a couple of minutes. So huge, huge game changer for what we do. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel so that you can get new videos as we post them. And if you wouldn't mind to comment below the video and just let me know what you liked best about this, I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.